Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mommies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be repainting this lovely bedside table into this.
This is a simple and quick tutorial involving only 2 paints and silver gilding wax from Dixie Belle.
The final touch that makes everything looks much better.
So let's get into it!
Let's do it!
We are going to paint straight over the orange with sandbar, and it's okay because these products are water-based, so all good. This bedside table is made out of chipboard, so more layers of paint will be like another protective coat, let's say. I used a synthetic brush for both coats, and you can use the mist bottle to add water in case the paint gets a bit dry and it's hard to move around. Adding water will also prevent brush strokes, so double win. The mist bottle is a must, so we will link it in the description below along with all the products used in this tutorial. This bedside is a bit damaged in places because it has been in the garage. Long story, but we'll repair them before applying the second coat. Anyway, we will keep this bedside for ourselves. So I applied the 2 layers of sandbar and I left about 2 hours in between coats to dry. I didn't have patience to let the second coat dry completely because I was too excited about creating drips with grey. I used a stunning Stormy Seas and an artist brush, and I watered the details, the roses, and underneath them as well. I applied a bit of paint and I watered again. But we don't stop here. Now we apply some silver gilding wax, and if you watch our previous tutorials, you know we like to apply the wax after sealing because it looks more sparkly. But we were just too excited, so we applied it before sealing and also after.
We buffed off the wax excess, and after a few hours it's sealing time with flat clear coat from Dixie Belle. I applied it in 3 layers, letting each one to dry for about 2 hours in between coats. And we are done with this cutie!
And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials. See you next time. Bye!